I'm Annabelle Murphy. I'm from Cardiff. I've just finished uni and a graduate job and wasn't happy where I was and wanted to pursue what I enjoyed, which is TV and film, and found a career apprenticeship, and I thought that'd be most suited to me. So before the apprenticeship, I was at university studying accounting and finance, and I got a graduate role in London in audit, and I worked there for about 8 or 9 months and came to the realisation that I didn't want to be in that position 3 years or 5 years, and I wanted to pursue something that I loved, which is when I started doing my research and found the career apprenticeship and just sort of took the leap. Yeah, so I found the apprenticeship on Instagram, so I was following I think I was following the One Stop Shop beforehand and Screen Alliance Wales, and it came up as one of my recommended to follow, and I found it through that and then gone on the website and saw the apprenticeship, and it was a few months before the apprenticeships went live, so I just set up a reminder every week or so just to check back on the website, see when the applications were open again. So I found the recruitment process really refreshing, considering I sort of applied to others and I was about 4 or 5 months into applications with other places, and it was within 2 months from me sending off my application to my start date here at Great Point. So yeah, really good. So to get what I want to get out of this apprenticeship, new experiences, different work life that I'm not used to, which I'm excited for, and just to be surrounded by something that I love and enjoy and be able to be a part of that, which is what I'm most looking forward to, I think. So, which part I'm most interested in this first couple of weeks I've been here, we've been on the Screen Skills website and done a bit more research. The AD apartment, and that area seems to gel a bit more with my transferable skills, because I don't have direct experience at the moment. The top skills and transferable skills that I've got, I can see in what's required in the role. I can translate that to experience I've already done, and I think that could fit quite well.